Good day, my name is Fernanda Lopez. 1. I have never traveled by plane because I haven't learned. 2. I have not learned how to drive a car yet because my husband has not time to teach me. 3. I have already fought because I live in Barranquilla for 4 months. 4. I haven't visited my family in Bogotá since 2019 because of the COVID pandemic or virus. 5. I haven't driven motorcycle for 5 years. I like so much. 6. I have lived in Duitama for 7 years and I love to live here. 7. I have never been in San Andres because I haven't had time to travel yet. 8. I haven't had more children because I don't want. 9. I haven't never drunk alcoholic beverages because I had it. 10. My family and I not travel together, but I would like. 11. My mom has never come to my house because she don't like travel. 12. I have already canoed the Santa Marta Beach when I lived there. 13. I have studied at UPTC since 2019. 14. I have achieved many goals in my life. Thank you.